Good morning. Today's video is going to be a bit different to our usual videos. We're usually out and about and visiting different places. Today's video is basically we've got a problem with our manhole. We've got sewage coming up it. Lucky enough to have two manholes, so it's clear at the other end. The property has very shallow drains for the first 10 metres, and it's the usual thing. So I've got a pipe that attaches to the Karcher, and on the end of the pipe it's got a brass attachment that sprays water out backwards, so as you're feeding it in, it pulls itself into the pipe and thus should clear the blockage. So we'll go out when I finish my brew, and I've got some warm clothing on, and I'll show you how to unblock your drain using an attachment for the Karcher. So there it is, the blocked manhole. So that's my number one manhole. Now, because I'm the end of the line from my garden border here, is classed as private, so I've had another manhole made so I can make sure that it's clear down here, and as you can see down there, that is totally clear, so we know the blockage is between there and there. As you can imagine, I'm not going to want to stick my hands down there, so we'll work from that end. This is the hose I was talking about, the attachment for the Karcher. That's the bit that goes down the drain, and as it goes down the drain, when they attach the Karcher, jets spray out of here, thus dragging it along. I'm guessing that the blockage is round about here because there's a tight bend in the drain. So I'm going to start from that end because I don't want to put my hand down that end. So I'm going to put some gloves on. I don't want to end up full of cack. So we get our attachment here that I showed you before. Unravel it. You can feed it down the drain now. I know that that's what should be enough. So once we've got it to this stage, this bit attaches onto here. Like I said, I bought this kit for it from Screwfix. I think about 60 quid at the time, going back about 3 years, worth its weight in gold. So down on the hands and knees, and taking this bit here, I'm going to shove it up the drain here. I've got it in a bit, so by rights now if I press the trigger, it should start feeding down. I seem to be having a bit of problem. Have I got the machine's turned off. Well, do a bit better now. So, like I said, it should start feeding down. There it goes. let's see how far we've got. So probably up to the blockage there, because like I said, I'm guessing it's on the so there's my red mark that says I'm a metre away from the end of it. So I'll give it a go again. So then it goes again. Have to go the other side. I'm going to go and have a look what's happening at the other end. Right, we seem to hit a blockage, so I'm going to have to go down the other end now, which I didn't really want to do. Well, we didn't have a look at that end of your Bex. So I'm going to have to stick my hand down here. Well, I'm not going to stick my hand down, so I'm going to push this in down there somewhere. Right, I'm going to stand back because I don't want to get blasted with crap. Let's try again. Well, it's started. You can see it started. Now you know I'm wearing gloves and my work jumper. Right, let's shove that along there. We're a bit tangled, but that's it. Absolutely hums, as I'm sure you can imagine it would. This is why you should keep your pipe straight. You shouldn't have to keep stopping. But hey ho. So if you kept your pipe straight, this shouldn't happen. unfortunately, like anything, flexible, don't like keeping straight. So as you can see, the hole's empty. I did have to use the little bucket to empty into the big bucket to go and drop down the other manhole, purely because I couldn't find the hole in the bottom of the manhole. So after it sprayed back up in my face twice, I thought I'd empty it. Anyhow, so you can see it's there. I'm going to take you around to the other side now, and at the other end you'll be able to see that our pipe is now actually gone down there, and you can see our pipe's down there in the drain, and it's well down into next doors. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to disconnect our Karcher, pull our Karcher out and bang a couple of buckets of water down just to make sure it is clear. So that's the next job. Right, I'm going to carry on putting water down the pipe whilst I pull it out, just so it gives it a bit of a clean out on the way out. But when the red mark comes out of the drain, I know that's when to stop, otherwise I'll get covered again, and I don't want that. I can actually hear it coming down the drain now, so I know it's getting near. So my red mark's come out now here, so that's my red mark. I know to stop, because following it comes that bit, and I would get covered again. I'm going to go to the other end and make sure that's coming down. It too. I'm going to try another bucket, see if that shifts it. If it doesn't, we'll be putting the pipe down again. easier with two people because you can, one of you can press the trigger while the other can do both hands. So then, it's taken me 2 hours. 2 hours it's taken to do that. So probably saved myself about £200 or £300 if I'd called somebody like Dairy Rod out or other companies that do that kind of work. But there's the results. You can see down there now, nice and clean. So it's worth every penny having that attachment for if you've got a Karcher. It does. It really has saved us money over the years with having such a shallow drain. Again, there's the other manhole, all nice and clean down there. There's a bit of crap around the edge, but like I say, you can pick them up at Screwfix, B&Q, somewhere like that. Cost me about 60 quid, and like I say, it's worth every penny. I will recommend you getting it. Okay, thank you for watching. On a further note, I should just point out that after actually managing to free the blockage, I then poured another 5 bucketfuls of water down just to make sure it was flowing nicely. And if I'd have done it every 6 months like I was supposed to be doing, I probably wouldn't have got it blocked as much as it did. So again, get this tool, give it a doing once every 6 months, it should be fine. Thank you, bye.